learn about then and now.
Let's first eat, then go to the park.
Then!
Let's go home now. I'm tired.
Now! Now choose the correct word.
Then or now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's eat lunch, then dessert.
Now or then.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shh. Please be quiet now. I'm working.
Now or then.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to do my homework, then watch TV. Now complete the sentence.
I'm feeling much better. Thank you.
I'm feeling much better now. Thank you.
I brushed my teeth. Went to bed.
I brushed my teeth, then went to bed.
He finished painting. Cleaned up.
He finished painting, then cleaned up.
I'm not hungry. But I'll eat something later.
I'm not hungry now, but I'll eat something later.
Can we go now?
The alarm clock goes off, then I get up.